Periscope is an electromechanical shooting gallery arcade game. Two different companies independently developed and released the game, Nakamura Manufacturing Co and Sega Enterprises Limited. Masaya Nakamura claims it to be the first arcade game he built, with his company claiming a release in Japan as early as 1965. Sega's version of Periscope is the company's first produced arcade game, released in Japan in 1966. Periscope popularized the US 25-cent cost per play of arcade games in the United States. Its success surprised Sega, leading to Sega's further manufacture of 8 to 10 new arcade games a year for the next few years. Periscope performed well in locations that would not have normally hosted coin-operated machines at the time, such as malls and department stores. The game's success has been referred to as a turning point in the industry. Periscope is a shooting gallery game, simulating a submarine attacking warships. It is designed with a backdrop representing the ocean, upon which cardboard cutouts of ships hanging from chains are moved horizontally. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.